Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Chiliz and the CHZ coin or token, whatever you want to call it. It's called a coin soon at least. But yeah, I wanted to do a full update on that because, well, first of all, I know that a lot of you are still holding and trading Chiliz, including me. But apart from that, I mean, obviously the last week has been tough. We'll talk about that a little bit. And Chiliz, something we should not forget, still has amazing news coming out in May. They have their own sports blockchain launching. And we're going to be talking about the impact of that as well. Here you can see the new sports blockchain, the 10th of May. We have already seen quite a lot of bullish momentum because of that. Can we still expect some bullish momentum because of that, or is it over? So that's what we'll do. Before we get into Chiliz specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join in the Telegram and the Discord groups, but also trade results. But now on to Chiliz. So first of all, this bearish momentum probably has not a lot to do with Chiliz. We actually reacted fairly well initially when we got that first move. You can also see that with Bitcoin. When we got that first bearish move on Wednesday, we dropped down quite significantly, but we also recovered fairly well. But after that, I mean, the bearish momentum was just too strong. And then yesterday evening, there was another big sell-off. You can also see it right here. And what happens is that towards the weekend, the volume drops down. So if there's a lot of dollars being sold at one point of time, when the volume is low, volatility increases. So we had a big drop, had two bearish breakouts through 12.5 cents and 12.2 cents. So now we held this level around 11.75. We are technically back into the same kind of range we've been in kind of March and stuff. But then you can also see that we dropped down quite a lot, down to 11.2 cents as well. And honestly, I think that's coming. Right now, what you see is that Bitcoin has had a bearish breakout, and we have to do this because most coins right now are very much correlated to Bitcoin. You can see that we broke below 27,500 and 27,700 with Bitcoin, which leads me to believe that perhaps Chiliz can hold 11.75 cents for a bit longer, but after that I do think we'll drop down to that 11.5 11.2 cents level, and I do think that will hold initially. Technically that's a very strong level, it's a respected level, it's historically at least, but yeah, there's just on the short term, I mean, because it's the weekend and because perhaps that selling pressure that we experienced on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, perhaps that is off. We might see some bullish momentum first, but then you have this like strong resistance level and very big resistance level between 12.25 cents and 12.5 cents. And I do not think we can break above that. So we can spike up there, but from there we would just drop back down to our current support around 11.8 cents. Like I said, then eventually when that bearish momentum gets back again, we'll drop down to 11.5 and down to 11.2. That's what I expect. And then about the sports blockchain and how that could still influence the price, usually what you see is that the effects of that are like a week from before it, they're already gone. So if we would really want to see some effects, we would need to see a bullish breakout like in the next couple of days, in the next week. And honestly, that's not something I expect. I think the bearish pressure that we're feeling right now from in the crypto market, doesn't matter where it comes from, but I think that's stronger than any bullish momentum we can get from the bullish news. And apart from that, we have also rallied quite a bit already because of it. So that's my take on Chiliz for now. I'll keep you updated, of course, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.